Success comes only to those who believe in themselves and are ready to win. With this thought, I welcome you all in this video, which is for class 4 students. Students, today we are going to do English Grammar Chapter 1, which is Noun. So get ready with your grammar books and pencil, and here we go. Class 4th English Grammar Chapter 1, Nouns. Nouns. Naming words are called nouns. It can be person, place, animal or thing. Example: Jack, Delhi, lion, mat, etc. Now kinds of nouns. Common noun, proper noun, countable noun, uncountable nouns, abstract and collective nouns. Common nouns. A common noun names any person, place, thing or idea. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. Examples: teacher, baseball, city. Proper nouns. Proper noun is a special name of a person, place or thing. It always starts with capital letter. Example: my sister lives in Italy. Rohit and Jasmine are friends. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are the things, people and places that we can count. It can be singular or plural nouns. Example: table, tables, forest, forests. Singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns use the articles a, an or the before them. Use of a, an. When we talk about something in general, we use a and an. Example: I bought a mango and an apple. We use the before a noun when we talk about something specific. Example: the zoo is open on Sunday. Plural countable nouns usually changes form to tell us that they refer to more than one. Example: one table, many tables. However, some nouns remain the same in both singular and plural forms. Example: one sheep, 5 sheep. Now, rules for plural nouns. Most nouns add s to form plural. Nouns that end with sh, ch, x, z or s add es. For example: brush, brushes, bench, benches, fox, foxes. Nouns end with vowel plus y add s. For example: key, keys, keys. Nouns end with consonant plus y, change y to I and add es. For example: butterfly, it will be butterflies. Nouns that end with f or fe, change f or fe to ves. For example: wolf, wolves, knife, knives. Nouns end with vowel plus o, add s. Nouns end with consonant plus o, add es. Uncountable nouns. An uncountable noun has only one form. For example: rice, it is uncountable. Uncountable nouns are things we can't count. We can't put an s on an uncountable noun. We can't say one rice, two rice, etc. Now come to page number 1 of your English grammar book. Exercise A. You have to circle the singular nouns in the box below. Computer, tissue, biscuit, house, pencil, bottle and painting. Now come to exercise B. Name the things in these pictures. Use a or an before them. First one has been done for you all. It is a bicycle. Second picture is of orange. So we will use an orange. Third, a ring. Fourth, a chair. Fifth, an igloo. Now page number 3, exercise C. Choose the correct nouns to complete these sentences. First one has been done. We'll do the second one. Can you give me a sheet of paper, please? It is sheet. Third, I cannot remove all the stains from this shirt. Fourth, the dogs are barking loudly. Fifth, Asha received a letter today. Sixth, all the 3 rooms are clean. D. Complete the sentences with the correct nouns from the box. First one has been done. We will do the second one. The river provides drinking water for the city. Third, this song is my favorite. We should not cage animals in a zoo. Fifth, I'm learning to play the piano. Sixth, he looked very young in the photograph. Now come to exercise E. Tick the nouns in each pair whose plural form is the same as its singular form. So here it is number 3rd fish, number 5th series, then antelope and deer. F. Now come to exercise F, that is rewrite the sentences with the plural forms of the underlined nouns. First one has been done, means you have to change singular to plural. Second, my mother drives the red car. My mother drives the red cars. Third, we heard the bleating of the sheep. We heard the bleating of the sheep. Yes, no change. Fourth, Anirudh is going to sell off his old computer. Anirudh is going to sell off his old computers. Fifth, did you spot any deer in the forest? Did you spot any deer in the forest? Yes, there is no change in deer. It will be the same. Sixth, I can see orange fish in the pond. Answer, I can see orange fish in the ponds. Now come to exercise G. You have to complete the story on the next page with the nouns from the box. On a warm night, a mother was trying to get her baby to sleep. She was rocking the baby, but he remained wide awake. So she took him to the window and showed him the stars. The stars were shining on the sea below. The mother told the baby that the stars were playing hide and seek with the fish in the sea, and two little frogs near the window were saying, "Neep, neep, neep. We see little baby who should be asleep." Soon the baby grew sleepy and fell asleep in his mother's arms. Thank you for your patience listening, students. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.